Hello students. Now we study about recombinant DNA technology. Well, first, what is the meaning of recombinant DNA technology? In this technique, we recombine the DNA of any organism, and the ultimate purpose of this technology is for only human welfare. Because biotechnology is the science of applications, so this technology is a milestone in this field. Now we will discuss about the process of recombining the DNA. In the recombinant DNA technology or RDT, the first milestone is the discovery of restriction enzymes. Because of these enzymes, we can cut any DNA and insert the part of another DNA into that, or we can delete any part of DNA by the restriction enzyme. Means if we using this technology, we can modify organism genetically, so that organism called as genetically modified organism. Restriction enzyme are used for cut any part of DNA. All first, we will elaborate the first step of this process, which occurs only due to restriction enzyme. See this. This is the DNA of any organism A, and this is the DNA of another organism B. Now we want that the part of B, this part of B inserted here in the DNA A or the DNA of any organism. We will use restriction enzymes for this and cut both of DNA. Now in next step, this part of DNA will be inserted here and ligated. This occur only with the help of another type of enzymes called as ligases. Now see this. Now this DNA has recombined with the help of suitable enzymes and called as recombinant DNA or recombined DNA, and the organism host DNA modified called as genetically modified organism. By this technique, the technique of recombining DNA, we can remove diseases or can insert disease resistant gene in any organism which has normally suffered from any disease, normally hereditary or genetic disease. By this technique, we can treat genetical disease or hereditary disease. This was the process of recombinant DNA technology. Thank you.